Hey, it's Random Code here, and today I want to showcase the little prototype I created of a small program I always want to create, which is a combination game. So let's say, in this case, as mentioned, just a simple prototype. We have a button to create some wood components. I can then create some iron components, and when I then drag these together, in this case, they combine and I get a blue component, which is, I don't know. But it is more the point and concept of this prototype that I can create some different components and then drag them together and they combine. And then of course I would do something like multiple components, different combinations create different things, maybe even the concept of having these components. Let's say we had some wood, we could then drag and drop it into some area or whatever, and it would be also transformed to something else. But this is very much today I want to talk about the concept of drag and drop and, in this case, combining stuff. So what's actually quite important to learn from this, I think, is that I previously created videos and small applications showing something like how to make stuff draggable and how to make stuff check for collision. So before I even started doing this project, I researched areas like drag and drop in JavaFX, collision check in JavaFX, and this way it was pretty easy for me to set up some simple examples where for now I'm just using circles with different colors. And I can then just create these circles. I can then have an animation timer, which is kind of like the game loop, which in this case just every frame, which should be running at about 60 frames per second. I'm actually not quite sure of how animation timer works exactly, but something I definitely need to look into more. But we have this animation timer running. The check matches, just go through all the elements in a list I have with all my elements. So every time I create an element, this element is added to this elements list. Then just go through every frame, check if any elements are touching. So if we have any collision, if in this case we check if, for example, one element is brown and one element is gray. So this would definitely need to be changed to be using JavaFX components, or not components, but objects. So I would create like a class, for example, for my wood class and my iron class, and for every element I would do, and they would have different properties. I can then simply check if one element is wood, if the element is iron, I would have this combination happen, and this specific combination, for example, would create something. So in this case, I just combine. Now I only have one combination, so combine, which simply removes the old circles and create a new blue circle in this case. So the basic concept of the program, very simply, create one circle, make the circle draggable, we can drag it around, create another circle, check if in this case my wood, this reddish brownish color, collide with my iron, create a blue circle, and so on. And then maybe we would do this blue circle would be, I got no idea right now, but it's more or less I always wanted to create something where you could drag and drop, and when something colliding, create something else. So I just want to showcase this quick prototype. And I definitely think it's very important to create prototypes to see, first of all, I could even make something that was actually doing what I wanted, and also get a feel of it, and to see what this could turn into. But if you enjoyed this quick showcase, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.